So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this whole trunk space, and I'm actually going to turn this whole thing into an amp rack. So instead of spending tons of money, I'm going to use what I got and make this for the fraction of the price. So we're going to get with it, take out this bolt, I already took out these two bolts, and this is the 2014 Dodge Durango. So we're going to turn this into an amp rack. We're going to switch out all the old speakers. So now we've taken off the whole lid. This is over there. Some more of the framework. And we're going to take out the rest of this. And don't forget, this little switch here needs to come out, because I believe this is your sensor to allow you into the car keyless. So this just pops out, and then we can just pop out this whole thing. So you don't lose any screws or bolts, make sure you put these back. That way, put everything back intact after you're done. With these amp rack here, actually right here, I'm going to put the fans. So the fans are going to go right in there to cool the amps, but it's going to be tucked behind, and they're going to have all the wires run and have this whole box cool the system. So we're going to go through that, cut everything out, and see how it works out. Well, I'm going to have to come back, but you get the idea. Let's just see how this will go. Just blocking this out. Some more stuff in there. And it should look all right. Well, another beautiful day in the T-Dot, Toronto, Canada. Just gonna take a little look. See what we completed so far. Almost done. Just got to do the wiring. Here's all my speakers being ready to be all hooked up. There's my 10-incher going right in here. Should look solid. Should be banging. So there we go, folks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for us to do the wire up. And peace out. Macahuna Street.